Hi guys! It's been another day, again and again. So for today's video, ang lesson natin is about addition of rational algebraic expression. Okay, so ang topic natin is about addition of rational algebraic expression with different denominator. Okay, so before that, tandaan lang natin palagi yung step natin kung paano tayo magpe-perform ng addition of rational expression. Okay, number one, we have to find the LCD. Hanapin muna natin yung LCD ng given expression. Number 2, kapag nahanap ng LCD, i-divide natin yung LCD by the denominators of the given fraction and then i-multiply naman natin siya sa numerator. And then, ang susunod nun is we have to perform the multiplication in the numerators then combine the like terms. And last, we have to factor the numerator and express the answer in lowest term. Okay, so example natin, we have 2 over x minus 3 plus 7 over x plus 3. Okay, so ang LCD natin ay x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so ang denominator natin is x minus 3 times x plus 3. So kapag dinivide natin to sa first given expression natin, which is 2 over x minus 3, makakancel yung x minus 3 and then x minus 3. So ang may iiwan is x plus 3 times 2. So bali magiging 2 times x plus 3. Plus, then yung second expression natin na 7 over x plus 3, kakancel natin yung x plus 3 ng denominator. So ang may iiwan is x minus 3 times 7 or 7 times x minus 3. Okay. So we have to multiply the numerator. So 2 times x equals to 2x and then 2 times 3 equals to 6. So bali ang lalabas na result ay 2x plus 6. Plus 7 times x is 7x, then 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. So ang lalabas na result ay 7x minus 21 over x minus 3 over times x plus 3. Okay, so we have to combine the like terms na. So 2x plus 7x equals to 9x and then 6 minus 21. So since magkaiba yung sign nila, magsusubtract tayo ngayon. 6 minus 21 is 15. So ang mas mataas sa kanilang dalawa is 21 at ang sign ni 21 is negative. So therefore, negative 15 over x minus 3x plus 3. Sa pagkakataong ito, kailangan natin i-factor si 9x minus 15 para makuha natin yung simplest form niya. So since ang common nila ay 3, 9x divided 3 is equals to 3x, and negative 15 divided 3 is equals to negative 5. So ang inner factor is 3x minus 5 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, since wala tayong may kakancel na common factor, so therefore, ito na yung magiging final answer natin. 3 times 3x minus 5 over x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so another example. So we have 3 over x plus 2 plus 4 over x minus 5. So ang LCD natin is x plus 2 times x minus 5. So bali ang magiging denominator natin is x plus 2 times x minus 5. So pag kinuha na, dinivide natin siya sa first expression na 3 over x plus 2, ang makakancel is x plus 2. So ang may iwan is x minus 5 times 3 or 3 times x minus 5 plus. So this time, ang ika-cancel natin is x minus 5. So ang matitira is x plus 2 times 4 or 4 times x plus 2. Okay, multiply natin yung numerator. 3 times x equals to 3x, and then 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So bali, ang result niya is 3x minus 15 plus 4 times x equals to 4x, and then 4 times 2 is equals to 8. So therefore, ang result niyan is 4x plus 8 over x plus 2 times x minus 5. Okay, combine like terms tayo, 3x and 4x. 3x plus 4x equals to 7x. And then negative 15 plus 8, magkaiba ulit sila ng sign, so i-minus natin. So 15 minus 8 equals to 7. Since 15 yung mas mataas at ang sign ni 15 is negative, so therefore negative 7 siya over x plus 2 times x minus 5. Okay, so we have to get the factor of 7x minus 7 para makuha natin yung simplest form niya. Okay, so common nila is 7. 7x divided 7 is x. Minus 7 divided 7 is 1. So therefore, ang kanya magiging factor is 7 times x minus 1 over x plus 2 times x minus 5. So since wala naman tayong maika-cancel na common factor, eto na yung ating final answer. 7 times x minus 1 over x plus 2 times x minus 5. Okay, let's have another example. We have 5 over 2x minus 6 plus 7 over 4x plus 12. So this time, hindi naka-simplest factor yung ating denominator. So we have to get the factor muna ng ating denominator bago tayo mag-proceed sa pagkuha ng LCD. Okay, so let's have the LCM of 2x minus 6 and 4x plus 12. LCM is also the LCD. Okay, so ang factor ng 2x minus 6 is equals to 2 times x minus 3. At ang factor naman ng 4x plus 12 is 4 times x plus 3. Okay, so ang LCM natin is 2 times x minus 3 and then 2 times 2 times x plus 3. So yung 4 dun sa factor ni 4x plus 12 is pinactor out ko pa para mas makuha natin yung simplest form. Okay, so since may common tayo na to, i-rewrite natin yan as 1. So 2 times 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so bali magiging dalawang 2 lang ha, hindi isusulat yung isa pang 2 kasi common naman sila. Okay, so ang LCD natin is 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Yung 4 galing sa 2 times 2. Kaya ang yan ang ating LCD. Okay. So, i-rewrite natin yung expression na nakapactor yung denominator. So, kanina kung 2x minus 6 yung denominator, i-rewrite natin siya as 2 times x minus 3. And the other expression is 4 times x plus 3. Again, the LCD is 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. So, denominator natin 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. I-divide natin ngayon dun sa first expression. So, kakancel natin yung x minus 3. So, ang may iwan is 4 and then x plus 3. I-divide pa natin yung 4 sa 2. So, bali ang lalabas is 2. So, 5 times 2 times x plus 3 plus. Okay, so 4 and x plus 3, cancel natin yung 4. I-cancel din natin yung x plus 3. So, ang may iwan is x minus 3 times 7 or 7 times x minus 3. Perform multiplication. So, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times x equals to 10x. Then, 10 times 3 is equals to 30. So, ang result niyan is 10x plus 30 plus 7 times x equals to 7x and then 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. So, ang result natin is 7x minus 21 over 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Combine like terms, 10x and 7x. 10x plus 7x equals to 17x. 30 minus 21, since magkaiba yan, ima-minus natin. So, 30 minus 21 is 9. At ang sign na may mataas is positive. Okay, so bali magiging positive 9. 17x plus 9 over 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, since hindi na natin mapapactor yung 17x plus 9, ito na yung magiging final answer natin. 17x plus 9 over 4 times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, for the last example, we have 3 over m squared plus m minus 12 plus 6 over m squared minus 9. Again, kailangan natin i-factor yung denominator para makuha natin yung LCD nila. Okay, the LCD of m squared minus plus m minus 12 and m squared minus 9 is, ang factor ng m squared plus m minus 12 is m plus 4 times m minus 3. So, paano nakuha natin yan? Gamitin ang factoring of trinomial where a is equals to 1. And then the m squared minus 9, gamitin ang difference of 2 squares. So, bali magiging m plus 3 times m minus 3. Ang LCM natin ay m plus 4 times m plus 3 and then m plus 3 times m minus 3. Again, the LCM is m plus 4 times m minus 3 and then m plus 3 times m minus 3. Ang common natin is m minus 3. So, isusulat natin sila as 1. So, bali magiging m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Ang LCD natin ay m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Okay, so i-rewrite natin yung expression na nakafactored ang denominator. So, m plus 4 times m minus 3 and then sa kabila is m plus 3 times m minus 3. Again, ang LCD natin is m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Okay, so LCD is m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Divide the first expression. Cancel natin yung m plus 4 and m minus 3. Ang matitira is m plus 3 times 3 or 3 times m plus 3. Plus, cancel natin yung m plus 3 and m minus 3. So, ang matitira is m plus 4 times 6 or 6 times m plus 4. So, multiply natin yung numerator. 3 times m is equals to 3m. And then 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, ang result is 3m plus 9. Plus 6 times m, 6m. 6 times 4 is 24. So, the result is 6m plus 24 over m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Combine the like terms. 3m and 6m is equals to 9m. Then 9 plus 24 is equals to positive 33 over m plus 4 over m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Okay, so factor natin yung 9m plus 33. Ang common factor nila is 3. 9m divided 3 is 3m. Then 33 divided 3 is 11m. So ang result niyan is 3m plus 11. So 3 times 3m plus 11 over m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Since wala naman tayong common factor na makakancel, eto na yung kanilang final answer. 3 times 3m plus 11 over m plus 4 times m minus 3 times m plus 3. Okay, so dito nagtatapos yung ating lesson for today. So I hope meron tayong natutunan sa lesson na to. So hanggang dito na lang, hanggang sa muli. Paalam!